guys, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, you guys. Here on this channel, we post about faith, family, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and click that red button. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. So today, we are going to be talking about black seed oil. Now, if you have no idea what I'm holding in my hand, this video is for you. So keep on watching. All right, you guys, so this here is black seed oil, and today I will be talking about how it has benefited me and my family. I will talk about where it comes from, how to take it, actually, like, what is it. I'll be answering all of those questions. So let's just go ahead and get into this video. So first of all, what is this? I'm going to show you the bottle here. This is the brand that I use. I got it from a health food store called Sprouts here in Texas. So you might have a Sprouts near you, not sure if you do or not, but that's where I got it from. So it comes in a bottle like this. They can come a lot smaller or a lot larger, just depending on the brand, that you're using. But this here is black seed oil. Now, there are tons of videos on YouTube about black seed oil and its benefits, but today I'm going to be giving you my personal how it has impacted me in my life and how it has impacted people in my family's life as well. So first of all, what is it, right? So black seed oil is pressed from the seeds of a flowering shrub called Nagelia sativa. It is a plant that is packed with so many health benefits. It's mind-blowing, you guys. So let's get into these benefits of the black seed oil. So it has been said that black seed oil cures everything but death. That's actually a quote from the Prophet Muhammad. And based off my research and based off my own experience, you guys, he was not far off, okay? Now, there are tons of benefits of the black seed oil, and I'm just going to give you a few. First of all, it has anti-inflammatory properties. So if there's inflammation in your body, I'm telling you, it will help reduce inflammation. Cancer fighting properties. It can help lower your diabetes or even get rid of diabetes. It can help shrink fibroids. It can help with asthma, joint pain, arthritis. It can help aid in weight loss, help get rid of herpes. It can help insomnia, you guys. Like, if you have a hard time sleeping, black seed oil will have you go night-night, okay? Will have you so sleep. When I say sleep, listen, I'm gonna get into my benefits in a minute, okay? I'm gonna get into my benefits in a minute, but I'm telling you, it helps with sleep, okay, if you're having a hard time sleeping. But I mean, that is just a few. And if you guys just Google on YouTube benefits of black seed oil, boom, tons of videos will come up. And if you have ever taken black seed oil and you have a testimony to share, something on how black seed oil has helped you, leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below and how black seed oil has helped you. So let's get into how I take the black seed oil. So what I do is I take 1 teaspoon a day, and I've been taking black seed oil for about a month now, and I plan on continuing my 1 teaspoon every day throughout 2020. So I'll be coming back maybe in a few months to give you another update, but I take 1 teaspoon a day. Now, let me warn you, okay? Don't say you didn't hear from me, okay? Black seed oil does not taste very good, okay? I like to say it tastes like the earth, okay? If the earth had a taste, that's what it would taste like, okay? This black seed oil. So it is not like a really good taste, but you know, I know people who take it straight. My mom takes it straight, my sister takes it straight, my husband takes it straight. So they don't take it with mixed with water, orange juice, or anything like that. They just go ahead and take it straight. Now for me, on the other hand, not so much. Okay, so I take my 1 teaspoon and I mix it in with a little bit of orange juice, like just a tad bit of orange juice, and I kind of swirl that around. Obviously the oil and the water is not going to mix, so I just go ahead and gulp it down, and it goes down seamlessly. I don't taste it at all. So that's how I take it. And I also use it on my skin as well. Okay, so I will take a nice hot shower, and after I get out the shower, I would not completely dry, so I'll kind of towel dap my skin. I will take a little bit of coconut oil, a little bit of blackseed oil, rub it together until it kind of comes together as an oil, and I would just rub that on my skin. Now I have eczema, and I have quite a few flare-ups in the wintertime because the air is a lot drier and the weather is a lot colder, and I tend to have more flare-ups with my eczema. And this blackseed oil, you guys, have reduced my flare-ups tremendously, and it has even lightened up some of my eczema marks and the discoloration of my skin. So so far so good. So I use it on my skin, as well as I take 1 teaspoon every morning. What have I experienced while taking the blackseed oil? 1 teaspoon every day. So first of all, when I first took the blackseed oil, within 30 minutes I was in the bathroom. Okay, I'm not trying to TMI, y'all. I'm not trying to TMI, but I was in the bathroom, and it was nothing too deep. It was just a nice little release. Okay, and I was like, okay, blackseed oil, I see you. So I was able to go to the bathroom, and ever since then, y'all, I haven't had any issues going to the restroom. Before blackseed oil, I would have to drink something to kind of help me go, keep me regular, but not so much anymore. I can just kind of, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay. Another benefit that I have seen is in my skin, you guys. Like, my skin has cleared up tremendously, and Chris has even said that I kind of have like this glow. Okay, so my skin has cleared up, and like I said, even my eczema has the inflammation on my skin has reduced tremendously, you guys. And when I've had a couple cuts on my skin, and I noticed that when I apply the blackseed oil to my skin or to a cut, within 2 days or so, the cut is completely healed, and it's just amazing. And I know my mother, she had a cut on her knuckle or something right here, and it was giving her a lot of pain. I told her, just put a little bit of blackseed oil on there, and she said within a few hours, you guys, the pain of her little cut gone. So I'm telling you, it really helps with inflammation. So another benefit of the blackseed oil that I have experienced is sleep. You guys, like, I really didn't have an issue sleeping, but I noticed that when I wake up after I get a good night, after I go to sleep, I just wake up like, boom, ready to start my day. Like, literally hopping out the bed, ready to get my day started. And normally I'm like, oh, I don't want to wake up today. Like, oh my gosh, I gotta go to work, I gotta do this, I gotta do that. Like, no, y'all, I am ready to get up in the morning. Like, I hop up out the bed, put my swag on, took a look. No, that's a whole nother thing, but you know what I'm saying, right? I wake up out the bed super energized, super ready to go, and I truly believe it's because of that blackseed oil. Now, along with sleep, okay, along with sleeping and sleeping well, y'all, if you know anything about REM sleep and like different stages of sleep, you guys, you know when you are in REM sleep, that's when you dream. And listen to me, okay, my dreams have been crazy, super vivid, super crazy, and I just wake up like, Did that just really happen? Like, it is so real. My dreams are like so vivid, so real, that I actually think that they're happening in real life. So vivid dreams is definitely something that I hear that a lot of people experience while taking the blackseed oil, and it's because that it puts you in a very deep sleep. Pretty much, it helps you with your sleep. So that's why I have been dreaming so crazy, and I've heard my mom say that, my sister says that, as well as my husband Chris says that as well, that they are dreaming some pretty crazy dreams. Another benefit of the blackseed oil that I have experienced is my allergies. So I can have some pretty bad allergies. They're pretty much seasonal, and I haven't really actually noticed my allergies. And it's crazy because normally my allergies would be cutting up, y'all, like cutting up crazy. But I haven't really noticed you know, any kind of issues with my allergies since I've been taking the blackseed oil. And my mom, she has pretty bad allergies as well, and she was having an earache due to her allergies, and I told her to take some blackseed oil, put it on a Q-tip, and apply it a little bit in her ear. And she said within the next day, you guys, her pain was gone. So she's not dealing with ear pain anymore because she put a little bit of blackseed oil in her ear. So since she's been taking the blackseed oil, her allergies has gotten better, a lot better. She is not as stuffy, so she's releasing the mucus that's been built up in her body. Now, speaking of mucus, you guys, my body tried it. It tried it, okay? My body tried it. It tried to come down with a cold. And at first I thought it was allergies. And I was like, nah, this seems like a cold. So I doubled up on my blackseed oil. I took 2 teaspoons while I wasn't feeling very good. I took one in the morning and one at night, you guys. And within 2 days, my cold gone. 2 days, y'all, my cold was gone. And normally, you know, it takes me a little bit longer to get over a cold. You know, I was congested, my chest felt tight, it was just horrible, you know. And within the 2 days, you guys, my cold was gone. So it really helped break up that mucus that was trying to settle in my chest. And I did a lot of blowing of my nose, a lot of coughing up phlegm, and it really helped break down that mucus that was building up inside my body. So overall, I feel great since I have been taking the blackseed oil. My energy level has increased. I don't feel as bloated in my midsection area since I have been taking the blackseed oil. So overall, I will give the blackseed oil a whopping A+, 100%. You guys, if you are interested in purchasing the blackseed oil and taking the blackseed oil, I would definitely recommend it. I am not a doctor, I am not a medical profession, but I just know what it has done for me and my family. So now I will say this: if you are choosing to take blackseed oil, first consult with your doctor to make sure. Like, I will not recommend like stop taking all your meds and then take blackseed oil and like boom, you're cured. Like, no, let's be wise, okay? Let's be wise. I would not recommend that, and I am not recommending that. I am not a doctor and I am not a medical professional, but I know what it has done for me and my family. Now, when you're taking blackseed oil, it's going to be so important, you guys, that you couple it with a healthy diet and drinking lots and lots of water. For an entire week, you guys, I drank 1 gallon of water every day. And I'm telling you, it pretty much boosted my benefits times 10. So drinking tons of water, eating a healthy diet, lots of fruits and veggies, dark leafy greens, dark rich vegetables can help boost your benefits to even more. So because if you're like taking the blackseed oil and the blackseed oil is trying to fight all this inflammation, and then you're just ingesting more bad foods and more things that can increase inflammation, it's kind of like it's not going to work. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are eating a balanced and healthy diet so that you can truly see the blackseed oil work in your life. you guys. So it's January, you guys, and I wanted to do this video like last year sometime, but I figured that I will release this video now so that you can start your year off, year 2020, on a healthy note. And I have been on this weight loss journey, and I will be taking the Blackseed oil while I continue my journey to better health, because I truly believe that it can help me with that, you guys. So if you have any more questions about the Blackseed oil and its benefits and how to take it, what to do with it, anything like that, where to buy it, anything, please leave a comment down below and I can answer your questions for you. And if you have taken the Blackseed oil and it has worked for you, it has been giving you amazing benefits, leave a comment down below so someone else can read your comment and be encouraged. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to another video, you guys. I greatly appreciate it. If you are not a part of the Teats family, go ahead and click that red button and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. And remember 2 Corinthians 5:7, where it says we walk by faith and not by sight. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.